Okay. Yeah. Hello. Today I would like to introduce our Hart device with the temperature sensor. We use the Hart communication to demo how to set up and to show you the comparison between the temperature thermometer from the Aplisens and the temperature thermometer from the ABB. So on the network, we connect 6 device with the pressure thermometer from the Aplisens. So you can see the display and the thermometer operates normally. And beside that, we connect with the 2 thermometer for the temperature. This is from the Rosemount and this is from the Aplisens. All the device on the network connect with the Hart Protocol, and right now we connect with the Hart Communicator and we begin to search online. So from the beginning, the device will the search on the network to check the whether how many device in the network. So right now there are 2 and 3, and totally it will show the 5 device. With the address from the 2 to 6. So this is the temperature sensor, pressure sensor, and pressure different thermometer and pressure different thermometer, and this is the temperature sensor from the Rosemount. So we will choose this device to see the what is the function and feature and the value that it can measure. So right now on the table we connect the temperature sensor with the temperature sensor. This is the PT 100. So we will see the value of the thermometer. With the Hart Protocol and Hart Communicator, we can set up the input type. That means we have two main of the temperature type. One the thermocouple and one the resistant temperature sensor. So there are 2 types of the signal input, the thermometer, millivolt and the ohm. So in this case we use the resistant temperature sensor. So we choose ohm for the input signal. Change unit. Okay. So right now the input signal will the ohm resistant, and the unit display Celsius degree. So after choose or select the parameter, we will send our configuration to thermometer. So right now the thermometer ready to operate with the input signal. That's all. So we will check after. If the configuration already exists in the thermometer, device will ask us to confirm we will override it or not. We check yes. Okay. So right now there are many the item and many feature we can configuration from the Hart Communicator. But for the demo, we just see the value. Right now we can see with the range of measurement, we set up the process value with the low range and the process value upper range. So from 0 to 100 Celsius, it means from the 0 to 100 equal to the 4 and 20 milliampere. So we return to the value. Right now with the temperature in the room around 28 Celsius. So for the device configuration, we can set up many the parameter for the manufacturer, serial number, and the software revision. We will see the model and something the information related to the the information of the product. We can if in our project or application there are many the device, we can make the name to easily recognize the which item in our network. So in this case we call the task LI the 24G, and we can decoration for example I know order something like that. Yeah, we can and message and day to the after setup and selection the parameter, we can say and send the configuration to transmitter. Yeah, that is the one short sample for the how to set up the transmitter by Hart protocol. And right now we use the simulation feature of the Hart Communicator to demonstrate the feature and the characteristic of the ABB transmitter. So to do that, we will back to the home and we will use the utility, yeah, or we will use the utility, and we will choose the simulation. It means that in our hand we now have the Hart device or the sensor. We can use the Hart protocol with the Hart communicator to see the feature and simulate the operation the device. In this case, we choose the ABB brand and we write out to the one type of the model. For example, TX the 200. Yeah. So we choose this device. Although this device not in our network, but we can simulate to see the feature or the what the parameter we can change. So in this case, if we choose online, yeah, we will see the some parameter. For first, we choose the device info. So in this case, Hart protocol will show the manufacturer ABB and the model TX 200 device ID, something like that, because there are not real the product, so there are no information about this. Yeah, we can choose the configuration for sensor. So sensor with the transmitter, we can select the type of sensor to input of the transmitter. For example, there are many type of PT. Yeah, you can. That is the resistant temperature sensor, and about the thermocouple with the type B, C, D, E, M, L, S, K. So and many type of the sensor can select. And if we choose the thermocouple, we choose that. Okay, right now internal or okay depend on our configuration and real product. So right now we already select the type thermocouple type key, and we can set up the sensor upper limit and lower limit. For example, right now, yeah, 0. Actually, if the real product, this is the real value. For example, maybe 0 to 600 or 0 100 1000. After select and configuration, we save, and we say internal flat or system gas. Yeah, right. We can call the name, for example, the tag name or the name of product on our network. After that, we can say, then we can configuration another parameter for the parameter another or calibration. In this case, we choose the simulate. Yeah, save. Okay. Yeah. Or we can do calibration if we have a real product. Yeah. So from my video we saw that with Hart Communicator you can use to set up the transmitter from the Aplisens, ABB or another brand. There are many brands we can see and we can search from the Hart Communicator. I hope this video will show you the equivalent feature between the Aplisens transmitter and ABB transmitter. So we already set up or do comparison between the ABB and the Aplisens transmitter. Between dimension they are same. The feature of the input they can accept the thermocouple and resident temperature sensor, and both of the brand there are the seal certificate, CO2 certificate, the quality certificate from the international. And for the Y connection, I mean the output connection, they are same. And if you choose the ABB parameter, you must inform to manufacturer about the range of measurement, or you have a hard device, you can configuration and you can calibration by yourself. If not, you must return the device to the manufacturer. But for the Aplisens, we beside the Hart communicator from the Hart Emerson, we have a Hart communicator from the Aplisens. Yeah, or we can have a Hart module with a cheaper price. You can buy to set up your system or on the device from the pressure, temperature, flow, or level, or another parameter that have a Hart protocol. So I hope this video brings you the useful information to give a final decision to choose what type of temperature sensor you should select. Thank you. So if you have any question, please contact the I Know Solution and Technology Management company. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.